Hello everyone, I am Rejon. In this video, I am going to show you how you can treat cold naturally in birds. Sometimes we might notice problems in our birds like watery eyes, sneezing too much, or a change in our bird's voice. Some birds do not show any symptoms but become tired and lethargic. Some of them sit with their eyes closed and feathers fluffed up. These are the main symptoms of cold in birds. In such situations, you have to take certain steps, otherwise your bird can die. Now I'm going to show you how to treat cold naturally. You can see that I have taken a ginger, some basil leaves, it is also known as tulsi leaves, and 1 liter of fresh boiled water. At first you have to take a little piece of ginger and clean it with water. You have to remove the peel of it. Now chop it into small pieces just like this. Now you have to take half tablespoon of ginger. For 1 liter of water, you have to take half tablespoon of ginger and 20 pieces of basil leaves. Now I am going to boil this water in medium flame for 5 to 8 minutes. Don't boil it in high flame or for too long. You can see that water has started boiling. Now I am going to add the ginger and keep it for 2 minutes in low flame just like this. Now I am going to add these basil leaves. Wash these leaves before using. Now keep it in medium flame for 2 minutes. My basil leaves water is ready. Now I'll just leave it for a while until it gets to normal temperature. Now you have to add 1 tablespoon of honey in it. You have to use 100% real organic honey, otherwise it can harm your birds. Now I'm going to serve it to my birds. You can use it in cold weather, and if your bird catches cold, you have to continue it for 3 days. In winter, you have to serve it at least 2 days in a week to prevent cold. You can keep this water up to 6 hours in your bird's cage. It can be refrigerated for 2 days, but always serve it at room temperature. I think this video will help you all. That would be all for today. Thanks.